Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So today is a Saturday, and again I wanted to come here and tell you guys, remind you on what you should be doing on Saturday if you're a Forex trader, and maybe give you a hands up on what you should be watching or what you should be analyzing. Always take Saturday as your analysis day. Don't wait until tomorrow, because of course if you wait on Sunday, maybe there's so much happening. You're going to church, for those who go to church, but always take Saturdays because the market has closed. Always take Saturday. It's too hot. Always take Saturday as a good day for you to analyze the market. And I'm here to give you a hands up. I'm here to give you maybe 4 or 5 currencies that I think they are easy way. If you watched other videos, there's a video I said that Monday is always free money, and this is why. Because on weekly candle close, you can get a direction on what to do on Monday, Tuesday, maybe on Wednesday, but at least on Monday there's a clear indication on what to do. So number one pair I want you to watch is NSD-USD. NSD-USD on every time frame from 4 hour, daily, weekly and monthly, it has a double bottom. So if you're writing these pairs, write NSD-USD, it has a double bottom, and this double bottom has given every 4 hour, it has given an entry on buy, daily to give an entry on buy, and weekly to give an entry on buy. And if you know how I teach double bottom, I always say your first target should be half. You should always target half. So for me, I know it's too hot. For me, I know that NSD-USD, it will reach or it will hit the half. So you need to do to put it on your watch list. The other pair I can tell you for sure it should be in your watch list is USD-CHF. USD-CHF, don't be fooled on the double bottom that is on daily. There's a double bottom, a double top on weekly. So USD-CHF is a pair to watch this week because the price is at the neckline on weekly. So for you guys who want to really get that drop, when the price is at the neckline, there's that drop, USD-CHF is your pair. Yet it has not given us an entry. NSD-USD, it's a buy, a good buy, but for USD-CHF you have to wait. And then the other pair that has given us an entry on sale is Euro-GBP, because Euro-GBP has a double top on weekly that has broken half, so that market is dropping all the way to the neckline. I think I'll do a video on how I'm on the pairs that I'm mentioning. Euro-GBP, it's a good sell. The sale has already given, it's a good sell. And then the other pair, I think GBP-AUD, it has a double top on daily, and that double top has broken neckline. So all these pairs that I'm mentioning, you should pay attention, and you should go and try and write them down, and then you go and do what? You should try and go and do the analysis. And then the another pair, I think the last one I'll give you, is Euro-AUD. So what happened with Euro-AUD, it had a double bottom. Go and check. Euro-AUD has a double bottom on weekly, and then it broke half, and then after it broke half, got to the neckline. After it got to the neckline, it broke neckline, so the market wants to go up. But what happened is the market, it's like that by it is on a retracement. So actually what I'm trying to tell you is that take this time and go and analyze the market. Go and analyze the market. On Monday, it's a free money day. So go analyze those pairs I've said. I can't remember because I got some interaction. I had to post the video. So for those pairs that I have said, kindly do. Even GBP-USD, according to weekly, the way I have seen weekly, GBP-USD will continue to buy. For USD and Euro-USD, I can't give guarantee, but even those pairs you can watch them. But for GBP-USD, it will continue to buy. But the rest of the pairs I've told you, you can still go and analyze. So thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow. I'll be doing weekly analysis every Sunday. So if you want to be seeing what I have said, come tomorrow. I'll do the weekly analysis and I'll give you a clear setup, a clean setup on what to expect. So today I just wanted to tell you, yes, it's a Saturday, but you need to always do those analysis. And then you remember I told you to be printing. Make sure you print, maybe take 3 pairs that you'll be analyzing, then go and print out your analysis and make sure it is on weekly time frame. Then print out, say exactly what it will do. If you think it will sell, put with arrows, then print out. Then give yourself 1 week, then come back and see your analysis if you had gotten it right. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe. I'm ready to give you free content. And those who want my mentorship, December class is available. If you want to inquire about December class, I know, yes, the year is ending, but what is that thing that you will say you have achieved this year? So maybe you can join the class and say, finally I have enrolled in a class where I will learn. And you see, you don't need to go with the mindset of everyone. And I know many people are saying it's the end of year, they are ready to spend. For you, why can't you spend on your skill or on yourself? You spend on yourself where you can come, I teach you, then on January you'll be charged. By the time people are like, oh, I want to do this, for you, you will be like good to go. So I'm encouraging those who are pushing January class, come on December, so that by the time this year is ending, we are ready to make money. So for those who want to join my mentorship, I charge 40,000, that's 400 USD, and you can join. And then another thing, December I will open Signal, whatever services, or what do I call it? I will allow people to subscribe my Signal, and I'll be charging 10,000. So for the reason why I'm charging 10,000, I'm not only giving Signal, I'll be even like teaching and doing all those things. So if you're interested, you can inbox me and tell me what service are you interested. Are you interested in my signals, or are you interested in my class? Thank you so much, and I love you. Bye bye.